Okay, well, welcome to another episode of It's Coffee Time with Andrew. Yes, this is episode 18. I believe it's 18. Started doing these when the COVID lockdown started, so not too far into them. Today, we have a couple new things. I am trying this streaming service once again, and I'm also seeing how the little new GoPro is going to work in this environment. I think I have all my lights turned on, so the lighting should not be terrible. So we're doing a lot of experimenting now. I got a new audio recorder to help with the COVID-19 protocols. I figure I might try. One of the ideas is to give all my guests a vest, have this in the pocket with the mic hooked on to, like their lapel. Yeah, that might be a solution. Then I can sanitize everything and give everybody a sanitized packaged mic, so I don't need to go sticking my microphone in their face and then, talking into it myself. This comes with its own microphone. It was on sale, that's why I got the white one, the wedding white. So these are really made for weddings when people are wearing white. But I figured, yeah, it'll work. It'll look like it'll be the Apple iPhone, Apple or Mac white. So maybe it'll be fashionable. But like I say, this is kind of just a little test video. I plan on doing possibly another one of these this afternoon, evening, and I thought I should test out this particular online platform to see how it works, whether it's going to work well with this mic, or I should set up my other mic, or just wear my headset. Okay, I think that should do it. Looks like I don't have any friends online right at the moment, so I am wishing you the very best in life. Have a wonderful day. Bye.